It's the Ram Man. Hey guys, what's going on? We've got an Alienware M15X with a broken screen, and we're going to try to replace that today.
So the first thing you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver and some sort of prying tool to pry open the laptop. So you're going to want to start at the top because this is the easiest spot to do it, and just get under that top lip and slowly work your way under it until you can push, and you'll see it actually push through. It's pretty easy to do, but it might be scary at first. So just go slow and you're going to see how easy this is. So just pop it through and slide it over there. So just pop it out enough to grab it with your hand and work your way around the edges slowly. Don't break anything. Grab it with your hand. And watch out for this glue right here. You're going to want to use your prying tool to get rid of that glue. So just slowly go across it. After that's done, be careful not to pop this front piece off because it has 4 connectors you're going to have to remove. Now to remove these connectors, just pull the tab up and slowly remove the ribbon cables. Just don't break those plastic pieces because if you do, you're not going to be able to put the cables back in. This next part's a little tricky, but try to peel off this tape. Use your tool again and try to get under there. You should be able to work the tape off pretty easily. Just be careful not to poke any of the wires that are in there. Once you get that tape off, you're going to want to use your fingernail and just slowly push the tab on the left and right hand side, and then that connector is going to pop right out. Put this piece over to the side, and then the next step is just to remove the 4 screws holding the screen in. Make sure you put these screws somewhere safe. You don't want to lose these. Be careful when you're pulling the screen down because there's an additional connector that you're going to have to remove, and this one's a little bit tricky. So to remove this connector, just simply put your finger underneath and pull up on the metal bar, and once you pull that bar up, that connector should slide right off. Next, you're going to want to unbox your new screen, and this one was pretty cheap. It's around $70, so that's a good deal. Now you're going to have to put this new screen in, so make sure you connect that connector properly. You're going to want to push that bar down and make sure everything is locked in. There's going to be 2 little edges, so on the left and right side, you're going to want to make sure the bar wraps around those plastic edges. That's how you know it's locked in. And then finally, all you're going to do is put in the 4 screws, and you should be good to go. Make sure you angle the monitor so that it's easy to put the screws in. For this last step here, just plug all the connectors back in and make sure you put some electrical tape over that other connector, just so that we can protect it in the future, because we did peel back that tape and we want to make sure that connector's in there nice and tight, and if it comes undone you're going to have problems with the system. So now we get to test the screen. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks brand new. Perfect.
As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It's the Ram Man. Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be doing a video where we talk about